Lover's Lock. Okay. Bye, tower. My soul sings. Ramen and biscuits. The mung bean cake. People are relaxing, and it's Monday today. And this is the restaurant. I don't know the name of the restaurant. Okay, we had great time. We're taking a break. We've been walking all day. So just a little break. Little break. So we are in cab on our way to Namsan Tower. On the way to tower, they have lots of cafe and stuff. It's not just road. Oh, cable car lamb, aisa. We're waiting at a lineup to go to the cable car up to Namsan Tower. So there is Namsan Tower. That's where we're going.
اتصلت واحدة بطرش لك على الواتساب يلا 이쪽으로 내리실게요. 앞쪽에 오른쪽으로 이동하시겠습니다. 내리실 때 발밑 조심하세요.
Thank you. Watch your steps. You better lock here.
بس حق اللي يحب
Lover's Lock. Hot. We're more over here. That's the tower. Popular Namsan Tower and a moon. Half moon. We're not going all the way to the top, but we made it all the way here already. Very happy to be here. Okay. Nice traditional gazebo. Actually, I think Running Man, they did one of the episode here. I remember the gazebo by Namsan Tower. The lovers lock the yayi mangbuda. There are more locks here. Ngani besha thola do feel chisare. Oh my god. There's so many more of those locks. The sun the camera should have the sun so pretty, like orange. Camera should have the So we're at the tower. It's really beautiful, and the sunset The camera doesn't really justify the sunset. It's very pretty. Sun is like whole. I can see whole circle, and it's kind of like reddish at the bottom, orange on the top. It's really beautiful. And the place itself, nice traditional gazebo, nice, and the tower. I don't know if I can go up. Okay, yeah. And the tower. Our day is almost coming to an end. Let's see what's next. Because of their holiday, they had holiday for a week. I think more than a week, almost a week. So most of the things that we wanted to go, they closed pretty early. So let's see if we wanted to go to this food market, but if they close early, we probably try tomorrow. And if they close early, then we might go to Daiso tonight to buy some of the stuff that we saw before at different place. And that's about it. See you later. Ramyeon. Ito quite a stuff. Oh, I must be blind. Blind. Küçük soğudum. Oh. Getting coffee. We're just getting coffee here because we have decided that we want to eat dinner once we get back. Not around here. It's kind of cold and windy up here. So soon we go for coffee. Love lock. Oh, there's a vending machine for lock.
That's my story.
그치. 10년도 더 됐는데 이게 남아있던 맛이
Давай найдем девчонок, кто симпатий.
That's Han River.
잘 안 보이는데 저 뒤로 갔어요.
케이스에다가 놨다.
점심이잖아. 사원이 몇달 사원인데 점심.
보이나요? 어떤가요? 그대가 궁금해요. 방법을 알려줘요.
Oh my god, the sunset. Sunset is so beautiful. It's kind of pinkish. Yeah. It's beautiful. Oh. So these are the locks that you can buy to hang there. So prices are from, I think the cheapest one was, they're out of the cheapest one, which is 13,000. So price varies from there's one to price goes up to 22,000, which is $22 Canadian dollar. Okay. Okay, we're going down. It's kind of pretty. Everything is themed. Love. Saranhi. In here they have games. Oh, firework. Oh, they went to washroom. Okay. Welcome to. It's nothing much. She's right. There's nothing much. It's photo session. Money box. They do have like more 3D. So where are the glasses? It's 3D, but I don't see 3D glasses. Wall of photos. Okay, we are leaving now. We're saying goodbye to Namsan Tower. Goodbye, Namsan Tower. Till we meet again next time. And I don't know when is that. That tower, oh, blue is shining. Bye, tower. Okay, so this path is called Lover Path or something. I don't know. That's what I heard.
I made that up.
Oh, you made that up? You know, look at G. Some people, they even hang their phone case. Tadi sama pesha rata pesha thola. Yeah, ngada these are like gajak ge pesha thola to feel cheap. Yeah. Oh my God. Lots more. Oh my God, it's all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna stop because it's pretty dark and I can't really see much. The tower looks beautiful with the sunset. Sorry, moonlight. And the city of Seoul. And this is us. Cheese. Oh my God, that's the city ninja. The city ninja. Oh. Okay, we're going back. We're going back to the town. To the town and eat something. We were gonna get something to eat, but the ones that we liked is closed, and the ones that open we did not like. That's the ticket to the cable car. My soul seals are itching. And thank you for riding Namsan. Here.
One Japan
Oh, that was in Japan.
salty.
Alrighty. Coffee shop is closed. It was very nice trip up Namsan Tower. 이네야 가리 간들디라 fascinating. 냐마냐마 겨운 데르다라 데라. The famous food market. I don't see any name. I don't know what's the name. Sorry. It's the famous food market. Whoa. I think we're gonna eat our dinner here. 한국에서 장고 이거 저 국으로 장고. 사야겠다. pancake 넣을 때. 야. 야. fresh crispy. 근데 어떻게 해야 될지. 가야 되는 게 보면 이제 시켜놓은 거 내야 되다. Yeah. This is the menu. We'll be trying this location. We're not eating any seafood, but
I think that Netflix lady is from here, but she's like handful noodle, famous handful noodle. Thank you.
chopstick yes. Okay, our appetizers are here. These are chai ready. Mung bean pancake. 네 가리를 했어? Oh, chai pancake, mung bean pancake, and it looks delish. I'm having the chai pancake. Let's see how. I'm having ramen for dinner. And this is my I'm eating ramen after a very long time. It's kind of chilly today. So ramen and biscuits. Kimchi. We also have a mini gimbap. Since Archie doesn't eat meat. And mung bean cake. So good.
No, ladies and gentlemen, I'm probably using the Western say you are to see that.
파리에서 와야지 어떻게?
Now look at the Kadala Zunga, pinching down.
아, 나 나서갈래 말해.
Assalamu schedule, only in the Zunga.
나서갈래 말해. 뿌려 번들.
Ah,
And then I'm having makgeolli.
Tamil, you ready?
Oh my god. I'll show you the brand, okay? This brand makgeolli. I really like this one. We tried different one at one location. I didn't like it, but this one it tastes, for me it tastes like the one that we make. Our chang. I love it. Really good. And then chive, chive.
친구가 남기를 게임이라 이게 남의 친구를 줘. 뭘 됐어? 얘 친구도.
रोल जैसा हल्दी रो अबनी धरन दे चाय पेन के कुछ टेम्परेचर शिमुचा
이 본 액션 원래 펜션이 세기랑
심 잘 쳤어
막걸리가
영원히 cấp 충수 되시죠
어떻게 아직 모르네. 아직
No, I'm eating.
몰라. 아직 안 먹어.
예 너는 와도 돼 그거 그래 봐
아직 이제 직식사고요.
I'm actually kind of full.
나도 대신
친구들아 지금 나 해야 돼. 나 진짜 근데요, 너.
그거 돼 있으면 타보셨어 Okay so we will enjoy our dinner fish mudra I still have more to go see you later do you want to say anything Kushla anything
안녕하세요.
Umla darling cheers
Cheers.
and this is the restaurant that we are eating
On the
delicious 진짜 괜찮았어 the market is at the back still two more I think this market is open until very late that's where we ate now look at the market like all the way down and then they're all the way this way lots of food good food even the fruits oh okay yeah this is the lady from Netflix she makes handmade hand pulled whatever they want to call noodle she makes hand pulled noodle the Netflix lady oh yeah she actually put it here hello
A few moments later.
okay so we are at the bridge back at the bridge this is the most popular bridge in K-drama like the actress the hero sits here heroine sits here and they cross the stone
딱 먹어 그룹나 통과해야 된다고.
아직도 분위기
You know, I thought.
아직도 스웨이트 샷.
already look at the water we are at the very very popular river I don't know if we will make it to Han River if we go to Han River I'll show you guys the Han River but if we don't there is a river Tashi is this water the same water from Han River? You think so? Okay, so this is the water from Han River. Ngaji di thodi crossing do ya. The popular thodi. You know, I watched K-drama like that. The hero would sit there, heroine would sit on the other side or something, and then they would cross to meet each other. Let's walk on the stone. Okay, I've made it. La, that way? Yeah. So we're going that way. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just following them. Already. See ya. Already we had some nice walk around the river bank.
리컴슬리라 인지민이 머물리게 돼서 대신 계란 소요해서
This is Jimin Karadashi? Jonggo Samga. So right now we're at Jongmo Samga. We're just gonna have some drink, and since it's evening, gonna have some fun time. And like I said, Korea, it's very happening. Even it's not that late right now. It's 10 something, but it's very nice. Let me show you the vibe. Like people are relaxing, and it's Monday today. And this is the restaurant. I don't know the name of the restaurant. Oh my goodness, Tashi, that's very big. Oh my god. This is what you ordered?
Yes, sir.
This is more like chadam.
자담 매점.
Look at my hand.
먼저 가서 건너게 하래. So we just serve it.
Oh, okay. So, Tunjangmo, can you do coffee 사온 요라? Yeah, because 7-year coffee 사와야 돼. Cause
You have hot tea or coffee or anything juice, orange juice, anything hot.
따뜻한
차, 보리차.
보리차 있어요? 네. 주세요.
하나 드려요?
하나만요. 이거 하나 빼고요.
네.
쌈바차.
그래서 그것이 좋고요. 저 짬바기 말리. 감사합니다.
One cup you can take it away.
Yeah.
There's only 3 people. 보리차, thank you.
Okay.
여봐라, 아주 자야인데.
나 자담다 these days 창비를 도와다.
어떻게 되게 가르쳐 잠시했다 나야.
어찌라 베스도메.
최장 나는 자신이
소원의
Help me.
Nga shingi me sorry aji. Ai shena da ngi tansere.
아니 당신이 다시 템퍼처
나는 시바탐 길에 샘베레와 주수 두라수
샵장 아자기와
Tijangmo charliran chigo.
수배 치셔다.
Are you gonna drink the hot sauce, Momla? Cheers, Achi. Cheers. Cheers to our trip to Korea. Korea. Cheers. Ine di beer light re to. Ke light re shati. Kuch de la cas the terra la sto mangche.
데라디 사바데.
Can I please get some?
Of course. So our cheese pizza is here and Momula's
자담 못해. 그래.
barley kuch cheese na aaj pheba chado engre. Is almost barley tea is here, hot barley tea. Matala.
나 다시 올라.
또 뭐를 티스 좋고 그렇게 차디. Okay, we had great time. Now we're headed back to our hotel. It's almost 12 and it's so busy. Like So busy, like the alley, like the road, the street, whatever. It's so busy. But we're done for the day. They wanted some snack. They had pizza. We had a little bit of drink. Now we're headed home. Tomorrow we have busy day. I think we're planning to go to the palace in the middle of the city. And tomorrow is our last day in Korea. Second last day in Korea. So we will make the most out of it. Okay. Let's see. And I'm ending this video here. Thank you very much to all our viewers and to all our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. And see you on next video. Bye. I'm gonna end my video here tonight. Maringay, thank you so much to all our subscribers. And you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the